Welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find a secret statue on Dress to Impress Style Showdown. So you just need to go to the section, guys. You can go to this part, and this is secret statue that will save you from the Style Showdown. But here, as you can see, that I cannot pick the statue because I have been eliminated. But when you're not eliminated, just go to this section and then you can pick the statue. You just need to pick up the statue and it will save you from the elimination. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find Lana secret statue on Dress to Impress Style Showdown. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!